white. You be copper. You be copper. Well, you can see the white this thing and I remember the house. You be copper. What's the name of? What's the name of the shop? Dollar. Donut. Convention. Okay, that's all of the matter on Wazobia TV. My name remains MC Shaggy, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This one are your street yarn. Oh, she feel like don't touch it there. I tell you, if you touch there, we die there. I tell you, it's all of the matter. Oh, she watch Wazobia TV. Watch Wazobia TV. Abuja, are you hearing me? Abuja, when they see me, okay there. You see this man when gather body like see. Anybody na signboard now? If na Lagos now, you gonna work for Lassa. Check out that kind of thing. All right, get one copper. You want to say yes, come buy copper shoe and make sure say everything they go on where you don't size you, Abi. It's okay, Abi. Now pigeon at here, they speak English. They give me, but I want English too. English not important for where I did now. All right, have fun. How you doing now?
I did fine.
Make I ask you one simple question, eh?
Go on.
White collar job and handwork. Which one you prefer?
The both.
Both, Abi. Why you prefer both? Choose one. Don't be in Nigeria.
Because if the white collar job, if salary could not come on time, at least I can manage what I'm having at hand. Yes.
You manage what you're having at hand. You are not making a point now. Because I asked for one. Choose one.
Yeah, I said the both, so I not choose one.
Person. Show me your hand. Let me see your hand. Don't wonder you are greedy. You like to grab all. And when you grab it, you don't lose grip of the ones you are grabbing. In short, Oga, why they think?
I'm fine. I don't think.
Stop thinking. Come on, your hand for your head.
I don't think.
Receive the anointing of happiness.
Thank you very much.
Take it. It's moving. They are smiling and making it. Maybe like
I'm already smiling.
You are not smiling. You are seeing.
I'm laughing.
All right, so the matter. Oga, white collar job and handwork. Which one you prefer?
I prefer white collar job. Yes.
White collar job in the sense that they will be paying you.
Yes.
Salary,
correct
salary.
money. Yes.
They pay you correct money.
Yes.
So you like to work for a person.
Yes.
You like to do boy finish.
You know.
You know.
No.
You don't understand what that talks is. Like say none where they call white collar job. Madam explain give her. Can you become by explain give her?
Okay, white collar job is when you are under somebody. Yes.
You are under somebody. You are
yes,
working.
you are working for that person.
The major example is a bank. Those people that wake up in the morning, make sure that no, choose one.
But as far as Nigeria is concerned, you must start from somewhere. You must start from somewhere now.
You are a crazy person.
You must do a white collar job first, as far as Nigeria is concerned.
You
Yes.
must do a white collar job.
Yes, before you can establish.
Well, these boys, people are giving me a logistic question. I don't like it. You're in a black market. I've been in a night market. Come talk now. Come talk, not do myself. Oh boy, why this? Oh boy, leave. This interview go sweet for you. Come. All right, for the Watch Me Live on Wazobia, this one and Abuja. Oh shit, feel like back it that's all the matter on Wazobia. For the Watch Me Live, my name remains MC Shaggy, the comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Oh shit, feel like Oga, white collar job and handwork. Which one you prefer?
Handwork.
Handwork?
Yes.
Why you talk like that?
Because it's my line.
It's your line?
Yes.
Okay, you have been doing handwork for how long?
Almost 21 years.
Almost 21 years. And there's great achievement.
Of course.
Okay, that's all of the matter. I'll tell you, choose your own, take your own half out of you. White collar job and handwork, which one you prefer?
Handwork.
Handwork, Abi?
Yes.
You do handwork?
I'm doing handwork.
Which kind of handwork you do?
The handwork I'm doing is chemist.
Chemist. So you're a chemist?
Yes.
Okay, no wahala now. Okay, that's all of the matter. Oga Father, what of you?
A student.
You're a student?
Yes.
If you graduate now, you go like do white collar job, Abi? You don't prefer handwork? Like white collar job? Why you prefer white collar job?
Because that one do fresh money, as in based on saying that your money na huge money.
White collar job?
As in government work. After you work finish, maybe you aim to get something after your service.
After pension?
Yes,
pension,
after everything. Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's all of the matter. Oh, Shefile, guy Alpha, how you doing? Oga Alpha, you are the next person. Go and collect your money. As you collect, they answer me. White collar job and handwork, which one you prefer?
Handwork.
Handwork, Abi?
Yes.
Why?
Because like, I want to be an independent on my own so that I can employ others.
Okay, Becky that says you want to be an independent person, Abi? Becky that's all of the matter. Oga, what of you?
Handwork. Handwork.
Handwork, Abi?
Yes. Sir.
But you don't get handwork now?
No, I see.
But you dey plan to do them?
Yes.
You dey go school?
I dey go school.
Which school you dey go?
KSU.
Eh?
KSU,
Kogi State University.
Yes.
After the school, you graduate now, you go to do handwork.
No, not necessarily handwork, but I go there busy with other
you go
things.
Stay busy with other one.
Work,
oh, you
not to work.
You did target like to be like to be a boss of your own.
Yes.
Like Dangote Abi.
Yes.
Only.
No, okay.
But that's still on the matter. Oh, she was Zobia TV #1 finest. I tell you, still on the matter since I never pick any fine woman. Madam, wait till they have why they squeeze face, they not pay you. They not pay you. The guy don't disappoint you. I gotta go punish and when they you not go disappoint you again. Anything like disappointment, where you they go? When I come, one of they carry all these things they go. When I carry all these things come back, oh, hey. These are white collar jobs. I tell you, still on the matter. I tell you, all right, we must roll. I make Abuja. How far? This man. See, as Nigerians, they protect their pain. They protect and they stay there. Like say they married the ATM. You understand? All right, still on the matter. Oh shit, Oga Fana. Now don't settle the case. Which thing? You don't get case for this. All right, simple question. White collar job and handwork. Which one you prefer?
My brother, I prefer handwork.
Prefer handwork. Why?
I think. Because handwork, now if you get time, everything they do, now you know say, now by yourself.
Now by yourself, Abi?
Yeah, everything they do, they go on your own, so nobody will disturb you.
Okay. This lady must be an Igbo woman. Concentrate because of
if you ask her now.
You be Igbo woman? Eh? You don't be Igbo woman? This woman don't find trouble. Now, yeah, this today. We die here. You must talk. Back it up. So the matter on Wazobia. I they wait for you. We they wait for you so that we will talk. Hey, Father. How far, madam?
Stop now. Stop now.
How you doing?
I just fine, thank you.
Answer me. White collar job and handwork. Which one you prefer?
Anyone.
Choose stock one. You must have choice.
White collar job.
White
because
collar
you know
job.
hard. And money go to enter.
Only. Don't want that Igbo girl. All right, still on the matter of Wazobia TV. All right, back it up. Why I say? I tell you, still on the matter. We are moving. Oh shit, feel like you dey pick her like this. They pick her. They go. They pick her. Back it up. White collar job, handwork, leg work, yash work, look work, mess work. Any work is a work. But depend on how it's a manager. All work and work. Depend on how it's a manager. My love. Oh, all right. Oh, you know the tree for me, Abi. You know the tree for me, Abi. Father. All right. If you watch me live, madam, white collar job and handwork. Which one you prefer?
Collar job and white collar job and
handwork. Which one you prefer?
I prefer white collar job.
Why?
Because that one, the money comes certainly, that's every month it comes. But handwork, that one is not certain. Especially this time of Buhari government.
Okay, no problem. What of you?
It's white collar job, too. Because that one definitely, my salary is obvious. They must give me.
They must pay you.
But handwork, maybe as we did this regime now, things hard.
What of you?
White collar job.
Like white collar job.
Because the money is big.
All of my inside workshop here.
Yeah, we don't do. We just come.
Not be hard work with this one.
No. We just did.
Well, move now, friend. Don't come out. So now go she's and now go enjoy for a shop.
No, it's a go buy it.
Now go judge all of now. All right, if you watch me live now like this, I'll wrap up this episode. My name remains MT Shaggy, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Oh shit. Feel it. I tell you, it's all on the matter. Oh shit, madam, carry your face, come out. Your face don't ring go. I can see. Your face don't ring go. Okay, come now. How your family? Come now, come. Yeah, white collar job and handwork. Which one you prefer?
White collar job. I prefer handwork. Oh.
Why you talk like that?
Handwork na something where you go fit do, and then you go fit sustain your family for a lifetime. But white collar job, they fit sack you any day. Anytime, any day. No get guarantee at all.
They can sack you anytime, any day. But they sack before they sack you, they prepare so that everything. More they go, Joe. Beg. They go. All right. Well, I forget. Say I go supposed to close the show. The show don't close. My mother close her.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.